Hello again, YouTube. AJ Shaver here, and we have another repeat customer looking for a cord of firewood. So kind of the international standard is 4 IBC totes. These are the 275 gallon ones, make up a cord of firewood. So we are still out of stock on the big log lift bags. We have lots of the power lift and the mini log lift, the 6th cord ones, but not the 1/3 log lift firewood bags. We've run out before, but never for this long. We've been out of them since about May, I think. And I even depleted my own stock here, just trying to keep customers going with their supply, but it has done dried up. So my sincere apologies. I was hoping to even have some up at the Boonville Woodsman's Day show in 2 weeks. It's August the 3rd today. And but that seems like it might not happen. So I don't know, my apologies. It's affecting my business. I'm sure it's affecting yours. We normally just split right off the conveyor into the bags and then shelve them, you know, for a later date while they dry. And so that's one effect. And the second effect is we supply them to customers like you. So I am sorry. We're working as hard as I can to get them here, but right now we're just dealing with some more delays. But figured I would showcase the rotating pallet forks that we have. So I've got 4 totes set up. I'm gonna move the camera up high for kind of that bird's eye view coming down. But before I do all that, I'll grab the camera, do a quick walk around on these, and we'll get emptying out the crates into the back of our mason dump for our delivery. So just trying to get this done before that big storm moves in, but we'll see what happens. But like I said, 4 totes makes a cord. Our truck carries 2 full cord. We're going to use our rotating pallet forks. And again, these don't go 360. They just go 180 to dump it upside down, then come back around. We're using kind of like an S-cam and a little hydraulic cylinder over here on this side. That's kind of what actuates everything. We are selling these for $4,400 with the support arm that's sticking out the side. It really helps carry the weight of the IBC tote as it goes around. It just kind of takes all that stress off the bottom of the IBC tote, you know, as it flips over. And then we can take a pin out of the back of this, and then that bar goes right into these 2 square holes here and down the other end, so it does travel with the rotating pallet forks. It will come with 48-inch pallet forks. The next batch I might do is 42s, but I like a nice universal set of forks because we normally grab them, you know, front to back, like what we have set up here. Some guys were saying, well, they go in from the other side, and then it doesn't have to be so long, but that's minute in the grand scheme of things. I'm hoping to have some more of these available at the Woodsman's Day show in Boonville. I'm still waiting for that manufacturer to contact me and say that they have them done, because they actually have to ship next Friday, so we basically have a week. So flat face couplers are standard. The hose, the wrap, so if it rubs on the tire, you're not wearing through anything. That would all be priced into it there. The only thing we would have to figure out would be the shipping to go from either our wood yard to yours, or go from the fabricator straight to your place. So All right, well, I think we made pretty quick, short work of that. The S300 has a good deal of height to it for getting that to go all the way around once I raise the booms all the way up. I forgot in that first one when it started coming around that the frame was really close to the top of the body, so just had to go all the way up, let that spin around, and call it done. There's enough hydraulics there. You can even shake the basket back and forth for those one or two stubborn pieces that don't want to come out. As I mentioned earlier, they are $4,400 picked up here in Dallas, Pennsylvania, 18612. We can ship them, but we need to know where they're going. So if we can, I'd love to talk to you and get a sales quote figured out for you. It's 833-SPLITTER. That's 833-775-4887. You can also email me at sales@shaverequipment.com. And would love to talk to you, would love to earn your business, and it's with nice hydraulic helpers like this that makes our motto of working hard to be lazy just that much easier. So thanks for watching. Do not forget to hit that like and subscribe button here on the channel and stay up to date on everything we have going on. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.